Hey everybody, welcome back to the Creative Restoration Channel. I'm Doug Giles. Well, today's the big day. Today's the day we give away the Alden Edmonds Maxfields. So, one of you guys want it. But before I tell you, I figured I'd go over a couple of other projects that I have in the pipeline. Now, some of y'all may remember the very first update that I gave on the Maxfields. I talked about another pair of shoes. These are the Alden Oxfords. Now, these are a 10.5D. They should fit a few more guys than what those Maxfields do. But I got a problem with these, and in that, one of the shoes, this one, if you can see it on camera there, I've got a real dark spot right in here. Can't get rid of it. So that may limit my choices as to what colors I'm going to do the shoes. Might have to go with a dark burnish on the toe cap. I'm trying to get these shoes as light as I possibly can. I really wanted to go with a lighter color, but don't know if I can. I may have to go back with boring black, but anyway, may go blue, may go green. I don't know. We'll see what the shoes tell me they want to be. So anyway, we still have those left to do. That's one project. Next project. Some of you guys already know, some of my friends that also watch my channel here from the Alden Edmonds enthusiast group, some of y'all may remember that my girlfriend and I are going on a cruise at the end of the month. Well, so I decided to go online and find some new leather, some really cool leather that I could make our passport covers out of. I wasn't disappointed with my choices that I found. Well, some of the choices that I saw were absolutely god-awful. But some of the other choices that I saw were pretty cool. And what I ended up settling on was this. Take a look at that. Can you tell what that is? That's football leather. Pebble grain football leather. Not just any football leather either. This is actually Horween. And they make all of the NFL leather for the NFL footballs. So when you see a game day football, it's Horween. It's this stuff. This is the good stuff. So my passport cover is going to be done in this nice pretty brown. Typical football color, because I like it. This one is, again, same football leather, but in green. I've been experimenting a little bit. Love this stuff so much. Check this out. That's some cool stuff. This is just me goofing off with the sewing machine. Took a scrap piece, took a little small sample off the side of that side, and decided to do some French seams on these. That's some cool stuff. I love that. Love that color combination too. So, those are two videos that are coming up. We'll be uploading those within the next few days. At least the passport photos, not passport photos, but the passport covers. I'll be uploading that video within the next couple of days, and hopefully by the end of the week I'll have those Oxfords done as well, those Alden Oxfords. So, without further ado, let's get into who the winner is. And drum roll, please. All right, the lucky winner is Stuart Williams. Stuart, congratulations, you won the Maxfields. I just need you to get in touch with me. I have no way of sending them to you without your information. So send me a message. I'll try to send you a message through YouTube. By the way, you won the Maxfields. You got a new pair of shoe trees with it. Those Maxfields, by the way, have JR soles and heels on them that Steve did the custom work on. You've also won the shoe trees the custom shoe trees that Steve did. You've also got a brand new set of shoe bags that I did. So you got a real nice package there. Those shoes should last you a really long time. We got the Alden Oxfords coming up. We're planning on doing the giveaways on the shoes at least once every 2 months, if not once a month. So if you guys want to win, you gotta subscribe. We're going to be doing this, at least 6 to 12 times a year. That's a lot of shoes. A lot of shoes we're going to be giving away. A lot of good freebies. So like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Look forward to seeing you.